Welcome back. Talented Creators is all about collaboration, and today's challenge is transforming charger plates. For my first project, I started by dividing the plate using some tape. I had this cute design idea in my mind, but once I removed the tape, the paint had bled a lot. So I switched gears and I went painting half of the plate in black, and then the other half I left it in silver. Even though it didn't go as planned, it actually ended being really cute. So I am loving the way it turned out. And if you are wondering why I still have my coat on, it's because my craft room was really cold. And guys, once this was already painted, I waited until it dried, and look at this. It looks yeah, that's a hot mess. So I went on and I retaped it in half, and then I painted that one half in black. And let me tell you, this time I did not wait for the paint to dry, because if there was any mistake, I was able to correct it right away. So while the paint was wet, voila, look at this. Nice. Now a little bit here, but no problem. I'll take a wipey and clean it. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one to the side so it could dry. And you know what I said, this is all about chargers, so I have a second one that I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. I proceeded to add tape in the middle of this one charger, and then I'm going to take the black chalk paint and I'm going to be painting the entire half. These transferable stickers, you'll probably be able to find them still at Dollar Tree. I went on and I took 2 strips of the same pattern, and then I'm just laying them right here in the middle where it meets both of the colors. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rub it in until the whole entire sticker is transferred to the plate. And of course I have another piece. The second piece, I'm going to go ahead and try to line it up as best as possible, and then I'm going to be doing the same thing. Look at how cute this is turning out. I'm gonna go ahead and dip my finger into that black chalk paint, and then I'm gonna be rubbing it right here on the border of the charger. I just wanna make sure that it looks nice and cohesive. I put that one to the side, and then this one for the second charger, this is the pattern that I'm going to be using. These are like little flowers. I really like these stickers. I've used them before in other projects, and then I forgot that I had these still left over. And when I was working on this project, I said, wow, I was planning on putting a ribbon in between, but I said, I want to do something different, and then this is what I came up with. And I really like this. I think this looks really nice and classy. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. So now that both of the plates are completely dry, I'm gonna come in with these stickers. One says hope and the other one says faith. And one, I'm going to be putting it right here on the silver section. And look at how beautiful. It complements both of these colors. This is so pretty. And again, I'm using everything that I had in my stash. For this video, I did not buy absolutely nothing. I repurposed everything that I had. And look at how nice. Let's go ahead and then do the second plate. And on this one, I am going to be putting this word faith, but not on the black section. I'm going to be putting it in the silver section, but this way. Just want to make sure that both of them look a little different, but that it complements each other. On this video, I want to show you also how I decorated my island. Stay tuned and let me know your thoughts. And this is how they are looking so far. For this one here, I missed this little section right there, but I went on later on and I fixed it. And then now it's time to go ahead and make a bowl. So I'm going to be making 2 bowls, one for each plate, but I'm going to be placing them in different spots. This video is part of an open collaboration called Talented Creators. This takes place every 3rd Saturday of each month, and it is being hosted by myself, DIY with Aurea, and Loli's Creation. Today's guest host is At Home with Gigi. I'm going to be leaving the links directly to their channels down below in my description box, along with a playlist. I am wondering what these talented creators are going to come up with. I know that the challenge today is all about charger plates, so if you want to see what they created, make sure that you visit them as soon as you watch this video, and also let them know that I sent you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like to their videos. It does help all of our channels. And this is where I decided that I would glue in the bowl. Look at how pretty. This is going to be very nice and simple. I'm not going to be adding no greenery or nothing like that. Going to put this one to the side, and then this one I'm going to be adding this bowl right here. It's a little different right below. Look at how gorgeous. I'm also going to be adding this jute cord back here on both of the plates. And off camera, I added some butterflies to the black section, and then this will be it. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite so far. Talking about recycling, I had this plate in the bottom of my stash. I actually forgot that I had it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it one entire coat just to refresh this plate. Once it's done, then I'm taking this bigger brush, dabbing brush, and I like the texture that it gives, so that's why I did that. Now that it's dry, this bowl I purchased it at Goodwill, and that was about 2 years ago. So I also found it all the way down there in the bottom of my stash as well. So I'm adding plenty of hot glue, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and create a little serving platter, if that's what we can call it, but we're not going to be using it for food. We're just going to be using it to decorate. So I'm going to go ahead and place it right down here, and I forgot to take this tape out of here. And by the way, don't forget the playlist is going to be down in my description box for your convenience. There's a lot more inspiration going on. And then this is it. Look at how gorgeous it looks. Okay guys, so now we have 3 DIYs. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite, and here's the final review.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.